Ata bhai, this is nobody other than Mirza Bashir Ahmad MA, which is the author of Siratul Mahdi. I think if he is not authentic, I don't know who is authentic. Listen the reference very carefully. Again, if you want the original, I have the original ready with me. It is Kalmatul Fasl, and this page number is 113 of in the Shumara, volume 14. It says that तब नबूवत मिली जब इसने नबूवत मोहम्मदिया के तमाम कमालात को हासिल कर लिया. What is saying that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad received prophethood after he achieved all the greatness of the prophethood of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is a blasphemy. Nobody can even come closer to that, and Ata himself said this. And now here what he's saying, that he achieved all the achievements of prophethood of Prophet Muhammad sallam. And then look, because you're saying Zilli, listen about the Zilli now. He says that
इम्तियाज भाई,
इस
keep it 3
काबिल हो
minutes,
गया,
brother. Keep
इस
it 3
काबिल हो
minutes.
गया कि जिल्ली नबी कहलाए. बस जिल्ली नबूवत ने मसीह मौद के कदम को पीछे नहीं हटाया, बल्कि आगे बढ़ाया, और इस कदर आगे बढ़ाया कि नबी करीम के पहलू ब पहलू ला खड़ा किया. There you go. It is called at par. Okay. So Mirza Bashir Ahmad said that the Zilli Nabuwat, because you said before, talk about the Zilli Nabuwat, reflective prophethood. Mirza Bashir Ahmad MA, the son of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, I am 100% sure that he is more knowledgeable than Ata and than anybody of this age. He said that the Zilli Nubuwat of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad put him at par with who? With Prophet Muhammad. And this was exactly the point I was making.